Harmonic NQ on the 2. 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 Double delta NQ on the 2. Harmonic NQ on the 2.
Order submitted.
Harmonic NQ on the 2. fib.nq on the 2. harmonic NQ on the 2.
Order filled. Welcome aboard, everyone. What exactly is AlgoBox, and why do our traders absolutely love it? Michael Oates room.
Hey, good evening, everybody. Hope you all had a green day. The bar is open. Welcome to Day Trading Nomads. Glad each and every one of you guys are here. Hopefully we'll have a fun-filled night, learn something, tell a few stories, talk about women we never had, you know, that kind of good stuff. All right, so let's get started here. Let's say hi. Hi, Epic. What's going on, Greg? Good to see you. Coop is in the room. Hopefully you had a green day. Hopefully all y'all had a green day. Brian, Coop, Missile Silo again. Who am I missing here? Jesse James, Daniel D. What's going on? Let's see here. Manny M. Good to see everybody in here. If I miss you, hello. Welcome to Day Trading Nomads. Oh, I missed one. Mr. Vinny E. Mini. I've already given him his intro. So there you go. Hopefully everybody is good to go. If you haven't got a cocktail yet, head on over to the bar, get whatever you want, or you can sit there and wait for one of those virtual barmaids to make her way over to you. Make sure you got plenty of peanuts and pretzels and snacks and all that good stuff. I am turning off the work stuff, and we are good to go. I hear you, man. There you go.
Fib. NASDAQ on the wave.
I'm assuming everybody can hear me. Okay. Looks like we got 20 people at the bar. Interesting day, man. Interesting day. It was a tough day to trade. I did okay. I ended up about 1,600 up. So I am good. I am good to go. How'd y'all do today? Type of 1 in the chat if you had a green day. Type of 2 if you had a okay day. Type of 3 if you really don't want to talk. This thing is just stepping up, isn't it? There you go, Coach Cleats. That's a 1. Awesome. Really, Nickel had a
divergence down NQ on the 9.
Man, look at this thing rip. Look at it rip. All right. Do I catch it on the way back? I don't think it's done. Is it done? Hey, George. Good to see you, man. I think everybody's just getting settled in here. Oh, I want to catch that reverse there, but I'm not. I just don't believe it. I do like that Alpha Omega right there. To have some order to get a Delta ready up right there. It popped its out. Now we got a Gartley.
Harmonic NQ on the 2.
But I still think it's going. I'm hearing a ooh. I don't want to FOMO in. I'm just going to wait because I'm convinced. I just see too many things where it says it's still going to go up. And there you go. Smurf dot on the diamond. Cheers, Missile. Cheers, George. A little bit ahead of the game tonight, up 130 bucks. I'm digging it. Oh, I need to rearm, don't I? All right, we are armed and ooh, nice headshot. Nice headshot. Just feel like there's a, come on. Let's see if it's going to pierce that dot. What's happening, Epic? Good to see you, man. Got that headshot right there on king timing. What am I waiting for? Way oversold, way overbought, way overbought. Still got that 13th. I'm going to take a shot. I'm going to take a shot. Let's take a shot. Let's see what we can do here. Come on, let's go. Let's drop it. Give me some profit. I'm going to hold it till the opposing signal. See what we can do here. Had the AO, I had the headshot, I had the HMD on the Gartley. We had king timing. We were way overbought. After a nice push up, going to say I took a good trade. I may have FOMO'd into it a little late, got into it a little late. I'm not going to say I FOMO'd. I thought it through. Come on, let's go. Drop it like a rock. You can do it. Drop it like my ex-wife dropped me. Come on. That's a good sound. Come on. Sell it off. There we go. Come on. A little bit more. Little bit more. Got a slightly oversized ATM on this. Would have rather to have been in a 10 and a 15. You know what? I am going to take the 10 and come back up. Or the 15 and come back up and see if we can take a 10 there. I think that's 10. For some reason, it's not refreshing my position manager. Or position details.
Double delta NQ on the
yeah, there it goes. Should
harmonic NQ on the 2.
All right. Okay.
Order.
If you don't succeed the first time, try again. Let's go down. Come on. Come on. You know you want to do it. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Oh. Oh, it got me for being a tick for a dick on the last one. Is it going to do the same thing here? Come on. I know you want to come on down. Come on. Let's give us some room here to breathe. This is usually the kiss of death for me, but okay. Let's go. Come on, let's go. How much heat can I stand here? Come on, let's go. Let's go. I just know we're so oversold, overbought. Come on. Hey, Casey, what's going on, man? Dude, let's go. Come on. You can do it. Stick your nose out. I won't chop it off. Come on, man. Drop it. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Drop it down. Come on. Let's go. Can it make it all the way down to 216 to
Harmonic NQ on the
116? Come on. Let's go. I'm confident. Come on. Let's go. All right. We're going to
order canceled.
Let's go. Come on. You can do it. 216 is all I want. Come on. 116. 116. Damn it, Bob. Say it right, son. Backing up so we can get a running start at it. Because it's coming down. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Give me my money back. Ah, you're going the wrong way there, dude. Come on. You're getting too big of a running start now. Oh, man, come on. Let's do this. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's get some more green. Come on, you can do it. Hearing sellers on the ES. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. You know you want to. Come on. Let's hear some more of that action. I hear you. I hear you. Come on. A little bit more. I hear you, Missile. I hear you. I was thinking more along the lines of a masher, a good masher here. It was so overbought. Come on, let's go.
Down NQ on the 9.
Down divergence on the 9s. Okay, come on. Get it. Get you some. Drop it. Don't you even think about going up. Drop it. It's a Michael Burry play. I know I'm right. May have been early, but I know I'm right. Come on. Come on. Don't do that. Don't be a dick. Tick. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Turn around. Come back. Boy, with the speed it jumped up there, I just knew it was going to come back. Just knew it was going to come back. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Get you some. You can do it. All the way down to 16. Let's go. Come on. Come on. You know you want to. You know you want to. Okay, I'm losing a little bit of confidence in you here. All right, come on. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. Just needs to be coached down. Come on. We're going to coach it down. Come on. Rip it. Rip it. Rip it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. No, 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 no. Go down, not up. Go down, go not up. Come on, buddy. Let's go. You know you want to. Why are you wasting my time here? Let's go. No. No, 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 no. Come on, take it back down. Give it up. Come on. Let's go. Down we go. Down we go. Down we go. Let's go. Come on. Okay. Not wanting to play nice here, are you? I'm going to go get my stick and beat you down. Come on. I've been trying to be nice to you. Let's go. Drop it. You can do this. Push it down or I'm going to beat you like I don't know, a rabid dog. Something tells me the market's just not scared of me. Come on. Yeah, that too. No, it had a little bit more confluence back there. Mostly I just got pissed off because my first trade failed. And I knew it shouldn't have. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Oh, you're so close. Come on, let's go. Grind it down. Grind it down. Come on, you can do it. No, I hear you. I hear you. Come on. Let's go. All right, we got sellers on the ES. I'd love to hear some on the NQ. Come on, you can do it. Let's go. There you go. Come on. All right, I'm going to peel one off.
Order canceled.
We're going to move to break even, and we're going to trail the next, see if this goes down. Come on. We got a safety net on. I was hoping it would race down. It's not racing down. Come on, let's go. I don't want to throttle it too much. I feel like it's going down. Still feel going down. That's a badass jam. Who doesn't like a little Pink Floyd action? I'm not going to move my stop. If it stops me out, it's fine. We'll have other opportunities. Still convinced it's going down. Come on. Give me one more push.
Exit.
Oh, it's not going to do it. All right. So we went from being down, being up $130, then we were down $300, and now we're back up $40, $45. So now it's going to come down. Watch. Now it'll come down.
Order filled.
All right, guys. Not happy with that play. Took the first one for the right reasons. So, Missile, I know you were asking me earlier. So what I was looking at here, Missile, was I had the 13.7 AO. I waited. It jumped up. It came back down, stuck its head down. It jumped back up. I got the HMD on the Gartley. It jumped down. It jumped back up. And right around this headshot, I said, okay, I'm above the 13.7. I'm going to take it down. And it went down, but then it shot way the hell up. So it stopped me out. I got pissed off up here and said, okay, I'll show you who's right. And I took it south again. So there you go. That's how all that shook out. Kind of a bummer, kind of a drag, but hey, didn't get hurt. So let's talk about that. It was oversold. It was overbought. It was actually at the top of the masher at that point. Top of the MACV. I did go against the MACVU. I did go against the channels. All right, I'll give you that one. I'll give it to you. I'll give it to you. I'll give it to you. Hey. I hear you. You're absolutely right. Look, it was a bad play. Lucky I got back out. I'm down $100 for the night because I was up to 130. So I actually am down $85. I get it. I get it. So bad play. I'm going to wait for a better position. Missile, it was also a pretty pretty straight leg up. And I just really thought it was going to come down. Not
Harmonic
making any
NQ on the 2.
excuses here. So I'm just going to sit back, relax. I was really patient last night and got a little frustrated, but appreciate you guys being here to talk me off the cliff. Take that profit. I know everybody was in there cheering me on, but at the same time saying, Bob, get the hell out of this thing. So anyway, I'm going to take a break. I hear my dogs barking down there, so I'm going to go walk the dog. Missile, I'm going to take a time out and go check on your bike, okay? Still got that naggy ass cough. Doing much better today, though. All right, guys. I'm going to go take care of check on the bike,
Harmonic NQ
and
on
I'll
the
be
2.
back. Yep. I need to go for a few minutes because, hey, Jeff. Well, yeah, I do, man. I really do. I mean, it's what, 75 degrees outside with about 100% humidity. I don't even have a vehicle. My vehicle is still in the shop. I can't even go to 7-Eleven and get an icy. Anyway, all right, guys. I'll be back in just a minute.
DCDM NQ on the 2. Fib.NQ on the 2. Divergence down NQ on the 89.
All right, guys, I'm back. What'd I miss? Missile, your bike is still there, man. All right, we got 28 people in the room. We got 20 likes, 780 subscribers. Off to a good start. If you haven't already, do me a favor, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell notification button. A little bit goes a long way. I appreciate it. Fib.NQ on the 2. Missile, you know what I forgot? I know what I forgot. Went in a grind, don't rewind. Lots of things I did wrong there. Lucky to come out intact. All right. I can make up all kinds of excuses to blame the market, but really and truly, it was me. Didn't wait for the confluence. Tried to force a hand. I had suited connectors and there was a flush on the board.
Fib.NQ on the 2.
What can I say? I guess when I was in that trade, all I could think about was Vinny was watching and cringing the whole time. Got to be tough for him to watch us, to watch me stupid plays. That's right, Missile. That's what this room's all about. It's what the channel's here to do. That's why I do this. It really is. Learn some more. There you go, George. That's a great idea. I need to be sitting there with a pen and paper so that I can write down the time frames that I want to go back and look at. What's happening, Captain Rex? Who else have I missed tonight? Tell you what, I've got a poll ready to go. Let's go ahead and give it a shot. Let me distract myself a little bit more. And okay, so this first poll is going to be, what is your biggest trading goal this week? Trying to improve your discipline? Yeah, that's me. Increase size on A+ setups? Yeah, that's me. Avoid overtrade? Yeah, that's definitely me. Manage risk better? That's definitely me. All right, so those are pretty tough to figure out which one to pick, huh? So let's see what the room says. Let's see what everybody's got to say about that. Yeah, to quit revenge trading. That's what that was. Guilty as charged. Just wanted to get it all back in one fell swoop. All right, we'll give that a few minutes here. Brian, that's totally up to you, but you know, you can't let empirical evidence to the contrary dictate how you're going to trade it. Personally, I would back test it over a month. Give it a shot. Go back and download a month's worth of data on time frame, on days that you can't remember what happened. Trade it blind. See how it does. Yeah, the whole song's run. I play guitar about as well as I trade too. I'm a lot better at building guitars than I am playing them. I'm gonna let, believe it or not, I'm actually a lot better in production on that side too. Now, if you want to hear somebody play guitar, let's get Bobby and Jonathan in the room. those guys can wail. I can tell you, John and I, we back tested so many things. We tested and tested and tested, and we wouldn't just test over a week or 2 weeks. We would set it up and we would let it run for the entire contract. In fact, John even went so far as to play it for a whole year and see how certain strategies worked out. Yeah, Missile, I love to play spoons. All right. We got 35 people in the chat. We got 22 likes. If you haven't hit that like button, do me a favor, hit it now. 36. We got 20 votes for 4 minutes into the poll. I'm going to give it about 6 more minutes and see if we can get some more people involved. Cast your vote. Cast your vote. Let's see how it goes. Thanks, Epic. Appreciate it. It's really tough to choose just one, isn't it? Yeah, I hear you, man. I hear you. Yeah, in the poker world, we're called warriors. Let's go, brother. Let's go, man. I'm good. Anytime you're ready. And I'll actually make you a deal. I won't even look at my cards. And I'll give you 2-to-1 odds. Oh, we'll get together one day, Missile. That's the great thing about being a nomad. You never know where I'm going to be. I'm a nomad without wheels right now. No, I'm serious. I won't look at my cards and I'll give you 2-to-1 odds. Oh, no. It's not gambling. It is not gambling. It's 50% table dynamics and 50% math. Oh, yeah. I mean, just go check out Scotty Wynn, one of the best poker players of all time. Pretty sure he's homeless right now.
Harmonic NQ on the 2.
Just going to sit on my hands here, guys. All right, let's check out the vote. 2 more minutes on the poll. We got 22 votes. How many folks do we have in the chat? We got 36 people in the chat. Come on, guys. Step up and cast your vote. Yeah, Daniel's pretty good. That's an understatement. His ability to read the player, understand the table dynamics, dude, to put people on hands, I'm pretty good at it. But he's the GOAT. He's the Vinny E. Mini of the poker world. Oh yeah, Daniel's won quite a few bucks. Actually had the pleasure, I didn't play with him, but I actually had the pleasure of watching him live in a cash game at the World Poker Open in Tunica, I guess about 20 years ago, when he was still just a kid. Yeah, that was a good show. I've seen live table action where there's over $2 million cash on the table. $500,000 hands going left and right. I never did play at that scale. Don't think for an instant that I did. I think the biggest cash game I ever got in was Pot Limit Omaha. And I think it was 5,100 blinds with a Mississippi, what was it called? The Mississippi Straddle. I think that's what it was called. So basically, under the gun would be he would buy in automatically for $200. So right out of the chute, the pot's worth $350. You bet pot the second under the gun. Mississippi Straddle, that's what it's called. Mississippi Straddle. So to raise pot, you got to call the 350, raise another 350. Or no, at that point you're raising 700. So you're 1,050 plus 350. So you're right at what, $1,400. Gets up there pretty quick. Gets up there pretty quick. I had enough to sit around a couple of rounds, and it was at a table with Robert Anderson and Tom McAvoy and TJ Cloutier and oh yeah, Devilfish was there. How can I forget him? He's the one that ended up with all my money. I had just built that bankroll up that day at the World Poker Open. Played up, started way low. Started on the 4-8 hold'em, worked my way up to the 10-20 hold'em, rolled right into the 20-40 hold'em. Under the gun, I flopped quad aces. I tell you what, that was an amazing hand. That was an amazing hand. I think I didn't I didn't bet. By the time I checked, I mean, what are you going to do with quad aces? So you check under the gun. It's raised, re-raised, re-raised, and capped. And then it comes around to me, and all I get to do is call. And I played that all the way around. Then at the end on the river, I got heads up with one guy, got all my chips in. He got all his chips in. And I walked away with that hand. I think I was up $7,200 on that hand. I said, you know what, guys? I'm going to take my money and run right over to the 5,100 pot limit Omaha table. Barely had enough to get in. Barely had enough to get in. Barely had enough to survive a couple rounds. And got heads up with Devilfish. He had a 2-outer on the river. He needed a 3 to pair the board. Only one of 2. He had 2 cards in the deck and you know it. You know it. You know it. I had it all in there right up until the very end. I had him over 11-1. He had, man, I was 98% sure that I was going to win that hand. River came 3 clubs. Felt like I got kicked in the gut, sucked all the wind right out of me. Oh, well. So what did I do? I walked back to the ATM, got a couple $100, started all over again. I think I walked away from that tournament up about 10 grand. Not including the 7,200 that I lost. And what's crazy is that would have been, I don't know, $35,000 pot. I highly encourage it, Coop. I think it'd be a great opportunity for all of us AlgoBoxers to get together, have a good time, have a little convention. But it's tough. It's tough to get those guys to pry them away from their machines. Tough to get them out in the open. I think it would be a great thing to do. I think Vinny ought to do the first annual AlgoBox convention. There you go, Casey. Always up for a good sea-doo ride. Hit the lake. All right. What do you want, Buttons? Time for you to go for a walk? All right. Guys, I got to go take the dog out. The rest of them have all gone. I'll be right back. I'll be back in just a minute.
Fib.NQ on the 2. Fib.NQ on the 2.
All right, guys, bottom of the hour. What's going on? Still in the fiddle. All right, no Jesse, no John, Just us. All right. We'll start stalking from the top down. The ES and the NQ are still hanging out there, up there around session highs. Got down divergence on the 89s. All the channels are still green. MACVU is in strong buy. Coop, the 89s. Let me show you. It's one of the, it's what we call the tide. It's an 89 range bar chart. So what we consider a higher time frame. So there you go. And we can see that right now it's up in the Bollinger Bands. We do have some down divergence on there. It's awfully small. I have the small chosen because I keep it on a, I don't want it overwhelming that chart, but it does make it kind of hard to see there, Missile. Glad you pointed it out. All right. Got a red dots on the 5s with a ready up. And I got a cold cocktail in my hand. Little umbrella shoved in it. Cheers, guys. Oh, yep. We got 27 votes on the poll. I forgot about it. So, let's see what it says. No surprise. Improved discipline at the top of the chart with 40%. Manage risk better at 25%. Avoid overtrading 18%. Increase size on A+ setups. There you go. Missile voted number 2. Manages risk better. I wish I could have put a 5th one in there that said all the above. But the number 1 trading goal for me this week is improving my discipline, which I just recently did not display very well. I think I got lucky on that trade. Still haven't gone down and hit that 118. But we shall pay attention. I think I'm over here falling asleep at the wheel. Been a long day. Missile, did you say you're off work tomorrow? Hey, good evening, Kamar. What's going on? Good to see you. Bring some fresh blood in here. Kick this thing in the ass and make it go. More time for trading, Missile. And what's tomorrow? Full Auto Friday. There you go. think I'm going to do another 7:45 Eastern AM Eastern stream in the morning. See if we can keep that going. 7:45 seemed like it worked out better. I was able to get some sleep, get prepared. Did pretty good. Missile, I know what you're saying. I hate to say it, but I'm probably going to call the ball at 10 p.m. tonight. I am whooped. And I'm just not feeling the confidence that I need to make good trades, to make good decisions.
Harmonic NQ on the 2.
All right, somebody holler when you see a good trade. I'm actually queuing up the stream for tomorrow morning. If you don't mind.
Harmonic NQ on the 2.
Hey, just reminder to all you guys out there, not telling you what to do, but hey, tomorrow is Valentine's Day. Happy wife, happy life.
Double Delta NQ on the 2.
Hey, man, why didn't anybody say we had a shark on the 2s? Yeah, J-Trade, you need to get her AlgoBox. Maybe a little too late to FOMO into that one.
Fib.NQ on the 9.
My head is just not in the game tonight, guys. You think, George? Just remember karma and quid pro quo. Well, that's not good. Okay. I think my Ninja Trader just crashed. That's not good. All right, we're going to switch over to cheat sheets, and I'm going to go fix my problem. Let's see if that works. There you go. Give me just a minute, guys. I think somebody's trying to tell me something tonight. Oh, hush, boys. Settle down. I tell you, there's just no rest for the wicked. No rest for the weary. I can't even spit it out right. Okay, got it populating. All right, it looks like it's done populating. Let's see if we can put the juice to it. All right, we got data back up. Let's see if it kicks the charts in. Yes, Coop, you can see all the training videos. All you got to do, click your way in and sign up for Discord. Follow any of the AlgoBox links in the chat, and that'll get you there. Come on. Work. Do your magic. Ah, okay. I think we got it. We are back up and running. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Let me I got to switch over to my other workspace, so just hang tight. Here you go, Missile. Just for you, brother. Just for you. Anytime, man. Anytime. I know. It's sad. It's sad, Casey. I'm falling asleep over here, man. I got to tell you, the music is definitely chilling me out. Oh, Jesse, if you're listening in from afar, don't forget to take your meds. I missed my alarm. Give me 2 seconds, guys. Yeah, no kidding there, Austin. Got to watch out for those YouTube copyright police. They're brutal. Oh, man. I mean, while we're at it, let's just fire up the Sex Pistols, too. Oh, brother, this thing is just gonna kill me tonight. There you go, Missile. Yeah. Iggy Pop. You want to go back? Talk about David Bowie in the early 70s. No, man, I stay away from those things. I have my addiction is diet soda, and that's it. Missile, I agree with you. Empirical evidence to the contrary. Yeah, I knew what you were talking about. It's funny how the mind works. You typed in Range Rover. I just knew you meant Range Rover. All right, we're going to give it to the top of the hour tonight. See what happens. And we'll make a decision then. Because I don't know if I can handle much more of this excitement tonight. And I'm like Missile, I could probably stand a good night's sleep. A full night. A full night. Not 2 hours here, 3 hours there, 2 hours here. That's right, Missile. And just to be on the safe side, when I get up in the morning, I'll take one of those little blue pills. So I can perform better. Man, I am trying to stay awake here. Oh, guys, I apologize, man. I just can't get my head into this, man. I had that. It wasn't a bad beat. It was a bad play, but I still can't shake it. And it shook my confidence tonight. And just not going to risk it. Just, I'm waiting for an A+ trade here. And that's not easy to do at night. You got to exhibit a lot of patience. There you go. You like peeing blue, don't you, Missile? Did hear some buyers. I think Jesse is working late tonight. He's got that server migration that he's either doing or still prepping for.
I'm here. I figured I'd sneak in for a few minutes.
Oh shit! Look who look who the cat drug in.
What's
you
up,
go.
everybody? What's up, Bob?
Oh man, just trying to keep from falling asleep here, guy.
Is it that slow?
Yeah, it is. And I've lost my confidence tonight.
Really?
Yeah, I took a trade that I should have got out of with 10 ticks. I had the wrong ATM. Didn't move it. Kept thinking, I was being a tick for a dick. And it went back on me, stopped me out for the full loss. So what do? I try to prove the market wrong. No, dude. I know what I'm doing. So I double down.
Ugh.
Yeah. Well, it actually
see
paid
it.
off. It actually paid off. It got me back
Okay.
about even. But the whole time, everybody in the chat, Missile especially, saying, "Hey, Bob, I'm not quite sure this is the right move for you." So,
Well, then it went. Those were shorts, right? Because I was
Yeah.
watching earlier, and
Yeah.
then it went and dumped down.
yeah. So I got part of that dump, and I got out. I got out okay. I should have closed it out. I moved my stop down to break even for the last runner, hoping amongst hope that it was going to run down even, back down, and I can get another $100, $200 out of it. And that would have got me back to my watermark high of the night at about, I think it was 135. So I'm still up 45 for the night, or 130. So I was down 85 from my watermark high.
Well, there you go. I mean, green's green.
Yeah. So, we had this discussion. It was just a bad play. It was a revenge trade. I did the poll earlier, and my number one goal for improvement this week is discipline. And I had been working on it pretty good all week, and I blew it. I went on tilt just for a second, and it almost cost me some extra money. But I waited it out, it started turning around. And at one point, Missile says, maybe it is going to go south. So I waited and I waited and waited till waited for the opposing signal, stripped them all off except one and let it run. Took the break even and let it run. So we got some of it back. But in hindsight, do not let the empirical evidence to the contrary convince you that was a good trade, because it was not. It was the right trade if I would have had deeper pockets. But I was way early. It was a Michael Burry trade. I was right, but I was early.
Oh. Well, sometimes that happens. It's the
Yeah.
game.
But I tell you, the best thing about it is I did it here in front of everybody. We talked about it. They tried to cheer me up, except for Missile. The Missile kind of rode my ass, and he don't put. He was basically saying, Bob, don't put lipstick on the pig. Don't put sugar. Don't try to put sprinkles on the turd. Yeah, you fucked up. So I did, but I got out of it okay, and learned. We talked, and but my confidence is shaken. And I just don't feel confident about taking a trade, and it's going to be haunting me all night. And I think I'm just going to shut her down early tonight and get a good night's sleep, and come back tomorrow at 7:45 a.m. and we'll trade through the. What is it tomorrow? What's the news tomorrow? See, I haven't even discussed the news. I've only done one poll, Jesse.
One poll.
Yeah.
Yeah,
so
I answered it. What was the fourth one? It was risk management. That's what I answered.
Yeah, let's go back up there. All right, increase size. No, the fourth one was increase size on A+. Well, no, it's telling me how they ranked. So you said manage risk better, and you were in the 25 percentile.
Okay. All right.
The leader of the group was improved discipline. Here, I'll just pull it over here. So here's the chat. Here's the poll. And before I forget, tomorrow is U.S. retail sales month over month at 8:30 a.m. Eastern. Join us in the Day Trading Nomads, and here's a link. No, that's the link to the radio show. Screw it. Yeah, if you're all subscribed, you'll get the bell notification. I'm just so out of it tonight, Jesse. Just so out of it. Let me go get that. Let me share that link one more time. But anyway, there you go. There are the answers. They're the total votes. And you came in the second category. Really wish I would have had a fifth option and said all of the above, because it sure would have been. They're all on my list, but the number one, my number one goal is improving my discipline, which I did not exhibit tonight. And it seemed like the perfect poll that I had queued up, and so this would be a good time to run that one. All right.
My problem is I have plenty of discipline. I mean, my trades are good. I mean, I've been on a friggin' streak, right? But my problem is, this is why I chose that final option on that, is because when I'm convinced I'm right about a trade, I will friggin' move my stop down away and away and away and away, and then that one trade can wipe out 5 or 10 good ones, and it's like, Jesus. I don't know why my retarded ass keeps doing that. So, I mean, in a sense, I guess that's discipline too. But yeah, risk management for sure for me.
I hear you. Hey, by the way, just a reminder, if you haven't already, take your meds.
Oh yeah, yep. I heard you earlier. I was tuned in while I was eating dinner, so yep, I
got
did. Thank you, sir. Daily bias is nonsense. Really? It's built into AlgoBox. I've got it in the top right of all my charts. I mean,
all right, I got a headshot on the twos.
Where's the headshot? Where's the headshot?
It's in the middle.
Oh, I don't have the twos.
It's on the twos.
You guys are always teasing me with these charts that I don't have room for.
Well, I dropped down to the twos because, I mean, look, we got 0 BPS on the twos.
Geez, hold on, let me zoom in. Well, at least the average is 4.
Yeah, this is true.
Yeah. No, yeah. Hey, Missile. Yeah, I know. I know. It's essentially, if we're above the open, look for longs. If we're below the open, look for shorts. That type of thing. And yes, you are correct. It changes quite often. I like it when it's ripping up and down, changing on us. Hey, Momo.
I think Momo's I think he's been in the sauce. He Epsom salted. Guess how many pizzas he ate?
Oh boy. Hey, Casey. Who else did I? Hi, Missile. George. What's up, guys? Coop. Who else is hanging out with you here, Bob?
Oh, there's about 37 of them right now.
All the usual misfits. If there's
all
anybody
the
new,
usual suspects.
Say hi if you're new here. Hey, Kumar. Good to see you too. Sorry I'm late. I had to have dinner with the family. J Trade's in the house. Hello, J Trade. Jeff's here. Good to see you guys. Remember how I posed Daniel. I missed Daniel. There he is. All right. When was it? Last night or the night before, when I was asking people's opinions? Because I remember how I went on friggin', revenge trading or till.
That was last night. That was last night.
I was asking for people.
Get your ass back in the game.
Get back on the horse. I did not do that. I'm still punishing myself, still sitting out, trading sim, waiting for the right moment to get my confidence back because, well, I was still pretty pissed off this morning.
I'm not pissed off. I'm actually disappointed with my, I wish I'd have taken that shark at the top. And,
that was a nice drop out there.
But it was right smack dab in the fiddle, and but it wasn't long ago we got down divergence on the tide, and Missile pointed out. Missile, are you in a position, or and being on your knees does not count?
Hey Greg, what's up, buddy? So Missile mentioned the lurking trolls waiting for F-ups. Uh-oh, did we get pestered by somebody again tonight there, Bob?
No, not that I'm aware of, other than Momo. But I think Momo's just been in the sauce a little bit.
That's okay. Momo's a good friend, right? Daniel D, how's my tick account? Well, that's the problem, Daniel. Have you not been tuning in the last couple nights? Oh, those tick accounts are gone, my friend. They are gone. Yeah, I had a real crappy Monday.
That's right, Missile.
Know.
We are the best. And tonight, I Dad always said, whatever you do, be the best at it. And tonight, right. I feel like I am the best fuck up out there.
Yeah. Bob, it wasn't that bad. You took one loss, you took one win, you're still green.
Yeah, I know. Actually, it was two wins because I was up $130. And then the second trade lost, and the third one, I got most of it back. I know. But hey, it was a tiny lesson.
At least you didn't lose 8 funded accounts in a matter of a day and a half.
There you go. This is true.
That is where you need to start beating on yourself, like I've been doing the last couple days.
This is true. Hey, but you know what, Missile? Here's the crazy part. So I traded my cash account, my my small account challenge with that trade as well. You know, that sucker ended up it ended up green. I mean, I made money on that trade. I mean, it was amazing. Everything else was down just a little bit, but it actually made good profit. I don't know if the stops didn't move in the background in the trade copier, but it took the original 10, 20, 15 and a quarter, 15 and 25 bag. So
yeah, Daniel, it's Coop. I did not. Can you ask it again, bud? We'll get you answered for sure. Daniel, no, it's all 8 accounts. So, and copy trading is just fine for me. I mean, yes, when you lose bad, if you go on tilt, it's not so good. But so far, and yeah, it kind of sucks. I had $500,000 in funded leverage, right? And to lose all that, oof, that is painful. But I'll get it back. We always do, right? So lesson learned again. I'll start over with take profit trader again. Don't know if I'm gonna go back on the TikTok the tick thing. We'll see. I like them. They've paid me out.
Oh, those were the ones that you got paid on.
Yep.
Okay.
So the good news is I'm still up on the year, right? So even losing those accounts, I'm still up on the year as far as payouts versus purchases. So that's good. Last year was green. So still good. I'm just, when something like that happens, we beat ourselves up a little bit, and then we get back, like you guys were saying the other day, get back on the horse.
How much does it cost to get into those accounts on TickTick?
Well, they're having a big sale right now. Everything's 40% off, so it's like $377, I think. So it's not a bad deal for a straight to funded 100K account.
So you had 3,200 invested in those 8 accounts, right? Assuming
no, I only had no. Those were 377 each.
Okay.
And I got paid out over 10 grand from them.
Okay.
So I only had a couple thousand invested, got paid out. And then the other ones were take profit trader accounts, which they don't have straight to funded. So those were evals that I passed, and I had them up almost $1,000 when I blew them.
Oh.
And those were those are $85 each plus $130 activation fee. So
okay.
When truthfully, when you add it all up, it's a few $1,000. No, it's $1,000 I lost, I think. I don't know. Something like that.
You still had a positive EV. You came out ahead.
Yep. So
Good thing you took your profit.
what sucks is that morning when all this occurred, I was actually up a few $100, and I was like, I'm just gonna stop there. I'm good, you know. And then the darn thing pulled me in like she always does. And like an idiot got stuck in moved my stop, right? DCA'd in, moved my stops again, DCA'd in, and before you know it, boom, 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 the dominoes fall. Can't do it. Cannot do it. Listen, guys, I've made it to several payouts. I've done pretty well. The biggest lesson I need to learn is do not DCA in and do not move the stops. That, for me, when you're trading these little accounts at prop firms, you just can't do it. You just can't do it. You might be able to get away with that on like big old 300K accounts and stuff, but that's not how I trade. So I got to stick to my rule set, and I'm just fine when I do that. It's when I steer myself off course, problems happen.
Struggling here, Jesse. I am struggling here.
Missile makes a good point. He does dollar cost average in, but only once, just to get back to break even, get the hell out of it, right? The idea was wrong. So once you've identified that the trade was wrong, you're wrong, you know, sure, put another one on and then kill the whole trade at break even and just be done with that. Sit back for a while, watch the market, see what you did wrong, understand what's really happening, and then get back in. I wished I had done that, Missile. I really wished I had done that. And then, after all of that chaos, I had an opportunity to just be out and done for the day, only down $700 on all the accounts. I could have totally survived that, right? Oh no, I got to get that 700 back. Oh man. Yeah, what time is it, Bob? Hey, can you hang in there for what? It's 10:15.
We'll give it another 15 minutes and see how it goes. I'm actually, if you can hold down the fort, I'm gonna go walk the dogs and maybe I can make it a little bit longer, get some fresh air.
All right.
Whoa, what is Momo? What the hell are you talking about?
He's on the juice.
Is on the juice?
It's not the protein fake. All
I'll
right,
meet you out back, Missile. All right, I'll be back.
Hurry on back, you bastards. Don't be out there riding bikes without us.
I'll be right back.
Oh, man. So what's up, everybody? How'd you do today? I guess I should ask, how'd you do early day and then late day, right? Because technically this is two separate trading days. So let's put a 1 in the chat if we did okay this morning. I'll put a 1 because even though I was only trading sim, trying to get the confidence built back up, had a real good morning. Did 4K following my setups, so that was nice. I'll put a 1. Sorry about that. Family got a little loud. I had to go on mute for a second. Seeing a lot of 1s. There you go. Good job. Oh shoot, Cooper, did I miss? Cooper, did I miss your question again? Let me scroll up. What is the tide or ripple? Gotcha, Cooper. Yes. So the tide chart is our big one, right? That's the big daddy that shows you the overall picture. So that's an 89 range. The ripple charts, we have a couple of them. Most of us have 2 of them on our screen. So I run the 3s and the 6s. So those are the smaller algo bars there. You're looking at Bob's. He's got it on the 2s right now. So if you look in the top left corner of Bob's chart where it says 2 algo bars rock, that's roughly 4 ticks for each bar, roughly. And that's a ripple chart right there. So the ripple charts are where we do our actual entries and exits. while we're looking at the bigger charts, the tide, the wave, the MACV, we're looking at those for bigger picture, the filters, right? So I hope I answered that. Daniel D, only sim also. Hey, yeah, me too, buddy. No problem with that, right? When we take a big loss like I did the other day, time to kind of reset the emotions. Get off the roller coaster and go ride the merry-go-round. Get on the kiddie rides for a couple days. That's true, Momo. Teslas can't rev the engine. That is true. No, not a momentum indicator. No, so in AlgoBox, the momentum indicator is two things. Number one, you got the delta flagging down there at the bottom, right? As that's building up, that's momentum, or building down, of course. And then we got the audio box. That's the clicks and the booms that you hear. Those are confirming aggressive buyers and sellers on the time and sales. Gotcha, Coop. Okay. Yep. Makes sense. Daniel. Oh, buddy. Yeah, that's a bummer, man. At least it was I'm assuming you got it for 80% off, right? And at least it's an evaluation that you lost. That gives you a little bit of, I don't know, peace of mind. Oh, I feel you though. I had a tough day Monday and Tuesday. But Monday was worse because I told myself, this is not the price action you like. Don't even trade. Just get up and go to work. And what I do? Sat there and traded. Yeah, exactly. We need to find a way to disable the FOMO button. Momo has got a Caprice, a Ford Caprice. All right. Yeah, disable the YOLO button too. Yeah, I've done that, Case. I have done that. Not recently. And to be fair, on Monday and Tuesday, I didn't sit there and get that pissed off where I was just smashing buttons, right? We've all been there before. I haven't done that in months, so I guess there's a little pat on the back. Still lost the accounts though, so that's a bummer. There you go, Cooper. That's a great idea. Some people make vision boards. We make rule boards. Follow the rules, dumbass. That's what I need to make for myself. Yeah, there you go, Missile. Trade in your head. Boy, this really slowed down. I mean, we got some movement tonight, but look at this, just nothing. Okay, you were down to 700 drawdown on one of your PAs. Hit the reset button and now back to 3 grand. You mean you reset the account or you reset yourself? You stepped away and reset yourself, your emotions. What are you talking about? Or did you reset the account? If you reset the account, I'm curious if the resets are like 80% off too right now or not. It might be cheaper to just buy a new account. Oh, yourself. Okay, there you go. That's great. Nice comeback. Whoops, my stream was lagging, so sorry if I'm a little late responding. I'm caught up now. All right, good job. Yeah. Good job. I've done that a couple times before too. It's tough. When you get that friggin' low on drawdown, man. I mean, imagine, it's like having $700 in a live brokerage account, and somehow they allow you to trade a NASDAQ mini, right? Which they wouldn't really allow you to do. You got to have, what is it, $1,200, $1,000, something like that. But I mean, you essentially had less than what it takes to trade one contract. And you got it back. Congrats, man. It's tough. Right, Andrew? Yeah, Casey, up. I've had those days too where it's like every trade. That was Monday for me. It was like every little move. I was taking the pullbacks, probably wasn't waiting for them to see. That was the problem. The pullbacks weren't big enough to really be trading. I should not have been trading, right? The price action just wasn't enough during the time frame where I was sitting in front of the charts before work in the morning. So, and then on Tuesday, what was it? Tuesday? What's today? Jeez, I'm lost. Today's Thursday. I think it was yesterday, Wednesday. I traded sim yesterday morning and then went to work, and then the market ripped all way up. I was like, man, that's the kind of market I like to trade, and I just didn't have the opportunity.
All right, I am back.
All right, welcome back, buddy.
I don't feel any better, but I'm back.
Hey, Chris, good to see you.
Jesse, if you want to hang out, I'll leave it running. Just send me a text when you're done, and I can I can end it. I figured out how to end it from my phone now.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Because I don't think I'm going to make it much longer.
Yeah, let's just give it till 7 or 10:30, 7:30 my time.
Okay.
Can you last 4 more minutes, and we'll just say goodnight and end the stream, because I got family stuff, and I still prepping for that migration I'm doing this weekend too. So.
Oh, you got to work this weekend, huh?
That's right.
Oh boy. So do I. I got to get caught up. So I'm not even gonna. I'm gonna trade tomorrow morning. Hopefully, I'm in and out early.
Yeah.
And don't they, wait, what? Who let Lamar wrap around Super Bowls? Oh my God.
You guys are funny. Hey, the likes have fallen behind the amount of people that are in here. That's not cool, y'all. Hit that like button. How do we have 42 people and only, 35 likes? There we go. I'm seeing them go up. Thank you, guys.
There you go, Jesse. Thank you. I'm not even paying attention to it.
Well, so what'd we have? We had CPI, we had PPI. Is there anything big tomorrow? I know you rattled off something.
Yes. So tomorrow morning, make sure I'm saying this right, we've got U.S. retail sales month over month.
Okay. So that'll kind of confirm consumer sentiment, really, with real dollars.
Yeah, they're expecting it to pick up. Supposedly it was a good month. in January, but we'll see. I'm trying to find, I've got a report here somewhere. Thought I did.
I wonder if that's why it's kind of slow tonight. People are waiting for even more big news tomorrow.
Well, we'll see. I mean, it was a big push this morning. It was nice. I don't know
Yeah,
if you got in on it.
I did. Yeah, I made 4K in Sim trading that this morning. That was nice.
Oh, that's awesome.
Sure wish I had my 8 accounts this morning.
Yeah, no kidding, right?
Well, come Sunday, Monday, we'll get back in action.
Yeah. But I think I'm pretty much done for the night. I think I've had as much fun as I can take for one night.
I mean, it's not even moving. There's not much to do here.
No. It really isn't. So on that note, guys, it's been fun. It's been real. And it has always, as always, it's been real fun. Great to see you guys. But right now, I think I'm going to check out and go get some much needed sleep, eat a bag of popcorn with my dogs, and watch a good movie. And we'll see you guys bright and early in the morning, 7:45 Eastern. Appreciate y'all coming out. If you haven't already, do me a favor, hit that like button on the way out. And we will see you guys tomorrow.